Ever wondered why doctors and dietitians always emphasize the importance of antioxidants in our diet, especially as we age? Well, let's dive into it. Antioxidants are powerful substances that help protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful molecules, known as free radicals. These free radicals can cause a process called oxidation, which can damage our cells and contribute to aging and diseases like heart disease and cancer. As we get older, our bodies naturally produce more free radicals and less antioxidants, which is why it's crucial to get them from our diet. Antioxidants are in many foods, particularly fruits, but today we will focus on 7 antioxidant-rich foods that not only taste great, but could also help you feel younger and healthier. From berries to beans, these foods are packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that can help protect your body and keep it running smoothly. So, are you ready to discover these 7 antioxidant-rich foods that could help you feel younger and healthier? Our first antioxidant powerhouse is none other than the delicious berries. Very delightful indeed. Berries are not just scrumptious, but they're also bursting with antioxidants. These tiny fruits owe their vibrant hues to the very compounds that make them such a nutritional treasure. Anthocyanins, for instance, give blueberries their deep blue color and are known for their powerful antioxidant properties. Let us consider a few types of these small but mighty fruits. Blueberries, often hailed as the king of antioxidant foods, are packed with these health-boosting compounds. But strawberries too are a fantastic source, along with their cousins, the raspberries and blackberries. Now let's not forget about the lesser-known but equally nutritious acai berries and goji berries. These exotic varieties are often touted as superfoods, and for a good reason. They're rich in antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage. So, what are the benefits of these antioxidant-rich berries? For starters, they can help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even boost brain function. Not to mention, they're a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without resorting to processed sugars. How can we incorporate these delightful fruits into our daily diet, you ask? Well, the possibilities are as diverse as the berries themselves. You could enjoy them fresh as a snack or toss them in your morning yogurt or cereal. They make a delicious addition to salads and can brighten up your desserts. Think of a berry compote on a warm pancake or a handful of blueberries in your muffin batter. And let's not forget smoothies. A quick blend of your favorite berries and you have a tasty, antioxidant-rich drink. It's worth noting that while fresh berries are a great choice, frozen berries retain their nutritional value too. So you can enjoy these antioxidant powerhouses all year round, regardless of the season. So next time you're in the fruit aisle, remember to grab a handful of these antioxidant-rich berries. They're a delicious way to keep your health in very good shape. Who said healthy eating can't be indulgent? Our next antioxidant-rich food is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, often labeled as a guilty pleasure, is a treasure trove of antioxidants. It's not just a sweet treat, it's a health-promoting delight. Dark chocolate is chock full of flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that helps to fight off damage from harmful free radicals in our body. These free radicals are notorious for causing a host of health problems, including aging and chronic diseases. But here's where dark chocolate takes the spotlight. The flavonoids in dark chocolate have been linked to a variety of health benefits. They've been known to help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow to the heart and brain, and even reduce the risk of blood clots and stroke. Now, that's a sweet deal, and if you're worried about the sugar in dark chocolate, let's dispel that myth. The trick is to choose dark chocolate that is at least 70% cocoa. This ensures you're getting the maximum antioxidant benefits without an overload of sugar. Dark chocolate isn't just for nibbling on its own, though. There are countless ways to incorporate this antioxidant-rich food into your diet. You could melt it and drizzle it over fresh fruits like strawberries or bananas for a healthy dessert, or chop it into small pieces and sprinkle it over your morning bowl of oatmeal. It could also be added to your favorite smoothie for a rich chocolatey twist. And let's not forget the classic hot chocolate drink, made with dark chocolate, of course. So the next time you're in the mood for something sweet, reach for a piece of dark chocolate. And it's not just an indulgence, it's a delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake and promote better health. So go ahead and enjoy a piece of dark chocolate without any guilt. Our next antioxidant-rich food might surprise you. It's the humble pecan. Pecans, though small in size, pack an incredible nutritional punch. These delicious nuts are native to North America and have been a part of the human diet for thousands of years. Pecans are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, But what's truly remarkable is their antioxidant content. They are rich in a class of antioxidants known as polyphenols. These polyphenols are thought to neutralize harmful free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. The polyphenols in pecans include flavonoids, which have been linked to heart health and reduced inflammation. Pecans also contain a good amount of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. This vitamin is essential for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and it also plays a role in boosting the immune system. Now, you might be wondering, how can I add these antioxidant-rich nuts to my diet? Well, the good news is pecans are incredibly versatile. You can simply snack on a handful of raw pecans or add them to your breakfast cereal or oatmeal. They also make a tasty addition to salads and can be used in baking. A pecan pie, for instance, is a delicious treat that can also offer some health benefits. However, it's important to remember that while pecans are healthy, they are also high in calories and fat. So, moderation is key. A handful of pecans a day is enough to reap their health benefits without adding too many extra calories to your diet. Incorporating pecans into your diet is not only a delight to the taste buds, but also a boon to your health. They offer a delicious way to boost your intake of antioxidants and other essential nutrients. So the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, consider reaching for a handful of pecans. So remember to include a handful of these tasty and healthy pecans in your diet. Our next antioxidant-rich food is a delightful vegetable, the artichoke. Artichokes, with their unique shape and delicious taste, are a treasure trove of health benefits. But perhaps one of the most noteworthy attributes of this humble vegetable is its rich supply of antioxidants. Antioxidants, as we've discussed, are essential for our body to combat oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Artichokes are packed with a particular type of antioxidant known as flavonoids. These compounds are renowned for their ability to protect against various diseases by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, but that's not all. Artichokes also contain another antioxidant called cynurin, which is known to stimulate bile production, aiding in digestion and lowering cholesterol levels. But how do you incorporate this nutrient-rich vegetable into your diet? The good news is artichokes are incredibly versatile. They can be steamed, boiled, grilled, or even baked. You might enjoy them simply steamed with a bit of melted butter or olive oil for dipping, or perhaps you'd prefer them baked with a sprinkling of Parmesan cheese on top. Another way to enjoy artichokes is by incorporating them into salads. Their unique flavor adds a delightful twist to any salad mix. Artichoke hearts, the tender parts at the base of the vegetable, can also be used in pasta dishes or as a pizza topping. And if you're feeling a bit adventurous, why not try making an artichoke dip or spread? It's a delicious way to enjoy this vegetable while reaping its health benefits. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, no matter how you choose to enjoy artichokes, you'll be nourishing your body with a potent dose of antioxidants. So, whether you're a fan of this vegetable or have yet to try it, consider adding artichokes to your diet. So don't forget to incorporate artichokes into your meals for an antioxidant boost. Our next antioxidant-rich food is a leafy green powerhouse, kale. Often hailed as a superfood, kale is a nutritional force to be reckoned with. This vibrant, verdant vegetable packs a hefty punch of antioxidants, which are vital in protecting our bodies from harmful free radicals. Kale boasts two primary antioxidants, vitamin C and beta-carotene. Vitamin C is well known for bolstering the immune system, promoting healthy skin, and even enhancing mood. Beta-carotene, on the other hand, converts into vitamin A in our bodies, which is essential for good vision, a strong immune system, and healthy skin. But the antioxidant benefits of kale don't stop there. It's also rich in flavonoids like quercetin and kaempferol. These potent antioxidants have been associated with a slew of health benefits, including heart health and anti-inflammatory effects. Furthermore, they may also have antiviral, antidepressant, and even anti-cancer properties. So how does one go about incorporating this leafy green powerhouse into their diet? Thankfully, kale is as versatile as it is nutritious. If you're a fan of salads, try swapping out your usual lettuce for some kale. It adds a delightful crunch and a mild, slightly bitter flavor that pairs well with a variety of dressings. If salads aren't your thing, fear not. Kale makes a great addition to smoothies. Just toss a handful into your blender with your favorite fruits and voila, you've got yourself a nutrient-dense, antioxidant-rich beverage. And let's not forget about kale as a side dish. Sautéed with a bit of garlic and olive oil, it makes a delicious and healthy accompaniment to any meal. Or, for a crunchy snack, try making kale chips. Just toss some kale leaves with a bit of olive oil and your favorite seasonings, then bake until crispy. So add some kale to your salads, smoothies, or even as a side dish to enjoy its antioxidant benefits. With a myriad of ways to enjoy it and a wealth of health benefits to reap, there's no excuse not to make this leafy green powerhouse a staple in your diet. Our next antioxidant-rich food is a common yet powerful vegetable, red cabbage. Let's dive right in to understand why red cabbage is a health superstar. The vibrant color of this vegetable is a clue to its high antioxidant content. Red cabbage is packed with anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives it its distinctive color. These antioxidants are known for their potential to prevent heart disease and certain types of cancer, but that's not all. Red cabbage is also a rich source of vitamin C, another potent antioxidant. Vitamin C is essential for our body as it boosts our immune system, keeps our skin healthy, and aids in iron absorption. Moreover, red cabbage is a low-calorie food, making it an excellent choice for those who are watching their weight or looking to add volume to their meals without adding extra calories. Now you might be wondering, how can I incorporate red cabbage into my diet? Well, it's quite versatile. You can add chopped red cabbage to your salads for a crunchy texture and a pop of color. It's also a great addition to stir-fries, adding a sweet and slightly peppery flavor that complements many dishes. And if you're feeling a bit adventurous, why not try making a red cabbage slaw? It's a refreshing side dish that pairs wonderfully with grilled meats and fish. If you're not a fan of raw cabbage, don't worry. You can also steam, sauté, or roast red cabbage. Cooking it can mellow the flavor and make it easier to digest. Just remember not to overcook it, as it can lose some of its nutrient content. In conclusion, red cabbage is a superfood that's not only tasty, but also packed with antioxidants. It's a great way to add a splash of color to your dishes and increase your antioxidant intake. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a head of red cabbage. So add a splash of color and a boost of antioxidants to your meals with red cabbage. Our last, but definitely not least antioxidant-rich food is beans. A culinary staple in many cultures, beans are not only versatile and delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants that can support your overall health. There are countless varieties of beans, each with their unique taste and nutrient profile. From black beans to kidney beans, pinto beans to navy beans, each variety offers a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants, as you may recall, are crucial for combating free radicals in our bodies, which can cause cellular damage and contribute to various health issues. Black beans, for instance, are renowned for their high antioxidant content. They are rich in a type of antioxidant called anthocyanins, the same type found in berries and red cabbage. Anthocyanins are known for their potential to reduce inflammation and support heart health. Kidney beans are another excellent choice. They contain a powerhouse of antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, selenium and flavonoids. These antioxidants work together to support your immune system, protect your cells from damage, and even help to maintain your skin's health. Now let's talk about how to incorporate these antioxidant-rich foods into your diet. Beans are incredibly versatile, making them easy to add to your meals. They can be used in soups, salads, stews, or even as a side dish. You can also mash them into a dip for a healthy snack. One popular way to enjoy beans is in a chili. A hearty bean chili not only warms you up on a cold day, but also provides a good dose of antioxidants. You can make a bean salad, mixing different types of beans with some fresh veggies for a light and nutritious meal. Or how about a bean casserole? The possibilities are endless. Beans are a great source of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, along with antioxidants. They can help to fill you up, keep you satisfied, and provide a slow release of energy, making them an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy weight. So remember to include beans in your meals for a hearty and antioxidant-rich addition. That brings us to the end of our list of 7 antioxidant-rich foods. We've journeyed through their world of berries, relished the sweet indulgence of dark chocolate, and discovered the nutty charm of pecans. We've explored the unique taste of artichoke, celebrated the green goodness of kale, marveled at the vibrant red cabbage, and appreciated the humble yet powerful beans. Each of these foods not only tantalizes our taste buds, but also provides a wealth of antioxidants that help to protect our bodies, especially as we age. Incorporating these nutritious delights into our daily meals can make a significant difference in our health and well-being. They offer a simple yet effective way to keep our bodies strong and our spirits high. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in your health and wellness, so make sure to fuel your body with these antioxidant-rich foods. Stay healthy, stay happy,